and the driving force of many. Without much ado, may we listen to Emmanuel Joseph D. Austria, our graduate with the highest general average, as he gives his words of thanks.
Our esteemed guest of honor and speaker, Mr. Raimundo A. Beltran, the school's Division Superintendent of San Carlos City Division, Dr. Sheila Marie A. Primicias, ably represented by the PSDS of District 4A, Mrs. Priscilla S. Victorio, our school principal, Mr. Jerry M. Cabuang, the SPTA officials headed by Mrs. Julie F. Macaraag, the Barangay Council led by Honorable Raimundo P. Dulay, the teaching and non-teaching force, visitors, fellow graduates, and to our parents, good morning. As I stand here today, on the cusp of completing this chapter of my education journey, I am filled with a myriad of emotions, excitement, nostalgia, and gratitude. I want to take this moment to express my heartfelt thanks to everyone who has been a part of this incredible journey with me. First and foremost, I want to express my deepest gratitude to God for guiding me through this incredible journey. Without His grace, wisdom, and blessings, I won't be standing here today, celebrating this milestone in my life. And to our dedicated teachers, I am immensely grateful. Your guidance, support, and encouragement have been instrumental in shaping us into the individuals we are today. Thank you for your patience, passion, and unwavering belief in our potential. You have not only taught us academic lessons, but also life lessons that will stay with us forever. Sa ating mga teachers, marami pong salamat sa inyong pag-unlock ng aming full potential. Salamat po sa inyong gabay, suporta, at paniniwala sa amin. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtuturo ng mga aralin at mga aral sa buhay. Salamat po sa inyong paghuhugis sa amin upang maging disiplinadong mga mag-aaral. Ang inyong mga aral ay aming dadalhin hanggang kami makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Kaya muli, marami pong salamat sa inyong mahusay na pagtuturo. And to my parents and family, words cannot express how thankful I am for your love and support. You have been my pillars of strength, always cheering me on, celebrating my successes, and comforting me during challenging times. Your sacrifices and endless encouragement have laid the foundation for my achievements. And I am forever grateful for everything that you have done for me. Marami pong salamat sa inyong umaapaw na pagmamahal at walang humpay na suporta sa akin. Salamat po sa inyong mga efforts at sakripisyo para kami ng mga kapatid ko ay makapag-aral ng mabuti. Kahit na minsan may nagagawa kaming pagkakamali, maraming salamat po dahil kami ay inyong pinagsasabihan. Salamat po dahil sa tuwin ay ako'y talo sa mga contest, ay palagi niyo po akong sinasabihan na papalakas na palagi pong bumawi next time. Kaya po sa inyo, Mama at Papa, maraming salamat po. I also want to extend my gratitude to my classmates and friends. Together, we have shared laughter, tears, and unforgettable memories. Thank you for being there through thick and thin, for your camaraderie, and for making this journey a joyful and enriching experience. Sa aking mga kaklase, salamat sa inyong pagpapaligaya sa akin. Kahit na minsay ako'y nalulungkot, ay hindi kayo nabibigong pasayahin ako. Kayo ang aking motivation upang ako ay pumasok sa paaralan. Marami tayong nagawang mga masasayang mga pangyayari na puno ng mga masasaya at tawanan at kulitan. Kaya salamat. Maraming salamat sa pagiging parte niyo sa aking paglalakbay. Sana ang ating mga pinagsamahan ay mananatili panghabang buhay sa ilalim ng ating puso. Salamat. Lastly, to our esteemed guests and everyone who has contributed to making this graduation program a success. Thank you for your presence, support, and encouragement. Your belief in us has fueled our determination to strive for excellence and achieve our goals. And as we embark on new adventures and embrace the challenges that lie ahead, let us carry with us the lessons we have learned, the friendships we have forged, and the memories we have cherished. Thank you once again for being a part of this remarkable journey. With heartfelt gratitude, I am Emmanuel Joseph D. Austria, a proud graduate of Tabag Elementary School. Maraming salamat po.